last load of the day. That's pretty well old cherry in there. Nashing back there. But let me get on this other side here. Love that. Alright, hi guys. How are you doing today? So, it's the end of the day. Dump trailer's full. The boss is doing a late delivery tonight. I don't know, 6:30 or so, so there's no point in me sticking around. But you can see we have made a pretty good dent in the firewood pile. It came out to probably, right about where I'm standing. So we've hammered through this. We got a little bit of cold weather. It was, not far off freezing here overnight. And everyone wants to get the firewood now. So we're doing tons of deliveries now. We got the sawmill. We're going to be doing some sawing, I don't know if this week or maybe next week, but yeah, we've got a bit of sawing to do. And yeah, also, for all those people that are wondering, I know everybody's waiting to know whether I am or not, whether I'm going to Bunyan or not. I will be there. Yeah, I'll be going down there. You'll see me at the Eastern Loggers booth. I'm not sure if it'll be the same place as last year, but I'll maybe put down where it will be down in the comments. But yeah. And you probably just saw that guy right there. So, see me at the show, come by, say hi, and I should have some of those stickers on me. Ask for one, I'll give you one. So just come and talk to me. If you see me walking around, say hi. Don't be scared. Sun's out. Should be a good time. Looking forward. Pretty excited to going down and seeing everyone again and hanging out. So, like I said, I'll be at the Eastern Loggers booth, hanging around there, and you'll see me walking around. I may be around the firewood processors anyway, for sure. But thanks for all the new subs. My channel's grown a lot over the last 2 weeks or so. Nuts 319, I have to thank for that. He gave me a bit of a shout out in his live stream he did 2 weeks ago, I guess it was, a week and a half or whatever, and I appreciate that from him. So thanks, Nuts. And thank you to all the new subscribers. And if you're thinking about subscribing and you watch me, just click the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Lots of different stuff coming up, whether it's firewood, running the sawmill, we're cutting, we're clearing. Coming in the winter, we are swamped with logging jobs. For us, going in the winter is a lot easier, and we're doing a lot of firewood, keeping us through the summer and that. So yeah, we're super busy. It's awesome. We could use a third guy. Trying to find the right third guy is nearly impossible. We thought we had him for the spring, but yeah, he backed out on us. So anyway, yeah, what else is there? I got the Bunyan. I'll be there. That's it. And I'm really actually looking forward to meeting Chipper Guy. I've yet to meet him. so be nice to see him. And thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And one last look. There you go. Oh, right it there. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Also, I'm going to add a couple things at the end of this as well. There is one, we're processing firewood. I found something neat, so check that out. And the other one was from, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. It was our last hot day. It was 108, and this WD-40 cam would not work for me. Anyway, it's a little rant of mine I'm putting in. It just ticked me off, and I know everybody else has dealt with it, so I'm not bashing the brand. It's just a bad can. So, again, WD-40, I am not bashing you, but I just figure give you guys a little bit of entertainment. Anyway, thanks. As processing today, and look what I found. Someone was having some fun. They're trying out a new axe. They've cut the face in and back cut it with a chainsaw, but I thought that was kind of neat. Actually seemed pretty sharp. Those are some big chunks it took out, but anyway, figured I'd show you guys that. Yeah, I'm sweating. It's like 108 today. Look at brand new can. Look at. Come on. Really? This is the shit that ticks me off. Trying to get a couple that have seized up. No. You let me down. Really? Like 2 steps.